Say goodbye to dirty sheets. Premium sheets made with all-natural silver that kills 99.9% of bacteria. Promotes healthy skin. Fights unwanted odors. Luxuriously soft Supima cotton. Luxury bed sheets reimagined for the perfect night's sleep. Bed sheets haven't seen innovation in years. They are a breeding ground for all types of bacteria and dust mites. Miracle has created the first ever hygienic luxury sheets. These bed sheets utilize natural bacteria fighting silver for healthier skin and cleanliness. It also features modern temperature regulating fabrics so that you stay comfortable all night long. No more excessive laundry loads, bad odors, and unhealthy skin. 3 times less laundry. The Miracle towel dries twice as fast as a regular towel and requires half the laundry. Temperature regulating. Our natural silver is thermoregulating, meaning you sleep at the perfect temperature all night long. Healthier skin. Stop sleeping on bacteria that gives you acne. Upgrade to a cleaner sleep. The science behind Miracle. Miracle sheets use anti-microbial silver that eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. Silver ions naturally possess a positive charge that connects to bacteria like a magnet and destroys 99.9% of bacteria from the inside out before it has a chance to reproduce. Upgrade your life, one night at a time. You haven't experienced a perfect sleep and even more perfect mornings until you've switched to Miracle. Transform yourself effortlessly and overnight. Because you deserve it. To read full review, click link in the description.